束缚而来。我看见空，至于台上的灯光，闪烁的彩虹，爱却无边无际，双只手有空，缘只有辫子为白了线。你不在的心，一条的情节，触破了纸上的无情，为我让新世界，爱总是都不在管理，用尽是时间，就在频频动完没动手，不必再迟疑，不必再可惜，一得到的期间，就未必可曾经完被错让幻变，甚至是用一点爱你也在是实力，圆滑透一重循环就连绵的线，把所有的阳光忘了秒，微波藏只是黑是料，是说好设置决定它的量肉，只需要你细嚼，不要成全我有问题会发誓让我因为微信而燃烧，微信说你自少适合我，为了我大失败，安静要多说来，所以说好挚爱，要之何待？我看见空，我吃尽也多，风不逆见火，一共的生命，交换只是我安在你在的心，一条的情节，是我纸上的无形，为我让新世界，爱的谁都不在管理，用尽是时间，就在频频痛完没动手，不必再迟疑，在晚餐里一直在的交响，在岛上的海就如了无了。
Good morning. How's it going, everyone? Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Good afternoon. How's it going? How are we doing? Watch for that 715 up here. Down here I'm watching for 700 or so. 15 and 700. Watching for 15 up there. Oh, at least 10 and 15. Down here I'm watching for 700 to hold. 700, 715. Okay. Okay. Watch for 700 to hold. $710, $710, 700. I will take a trade any second now. Take a trade any second now. $710 up there, huh? $710. Volume kind of tiny. Are you on the break the 710? $710, $715. No pain, no gain, man. She has to go now. Let go, baby. Don't do that. Don't believe it. Left so much money on the table. But win of the day, I'm happy. How are you doing today? I'm good. Thank you for asking, True Seeker. I know, I really I thought you're going to give me some more. I did not take profit down there, but again, this is my first trade so far. I just got into my office about 20 minutes ago. I just turned on my computer, so first trade of the day. Don't believe it, but that's fine. Money's money, right? I have not traded my funded account at all. So like I said, I'm working on my yeah. Anyway, how's it going, everyone? What Crystal's saying? I mash the like button. Okay, Crystal left already. Thank you so much, Crystal. You came and mashed the like. Thank you, my friend. Came back. It's not bad. First winning trade of the day. Super happy. Yeah, I'm trading 6 accounts at the same time. My stop loss in place and all that. See, I shorted at 99, knowing that I have to get out at 7.5 or 7.010. The maximum is 7.15, risking 16 points. That was playing in my head, and you can see that after I took the trade, I took a short. I immediately placed a stop loss at 7.10 up here. 7.10 or 7.15. 7.15, knowing that the maximum I'm risking is 15 points, $450 times 6. You do the math. But again, to be sure that the maximum I could lose is 15 points. But knowing that if it go against me and go back against me for like 7.05 or something like that, I will get out. Risking like 5 points. But hard stop, my hard stop is 7.10, 7.15. Yeah, 7.15, 7.16. So that was my hard stop. But I will, if it goes against me, I'll immediately get out. But very tight right now. Which state I am in? Believe it or not, I'm trading in North Korea. I'm in North Korea right now. North Korea. Yep, I'm trading from North Korea. Believe it or not. Trading from North Korea. Hey man, trading is very stressful, man. Have to play around, Come on, have some fun, laugh, Trading very stressful, man. Have some fun and laugh. Don't tell me to cut it out. It's all fun, you guys. Here she goes. Okay. I'm trading from California. I'm from California. California. Pretty tight right now, you guys. So we're looking at what, 90? Up here we're looking at maybe 710, 20 points. Yeah, California. The weather kind of crazy, you guys. I mean, a couple days ago was like all heat up and everything. Now it's like, I don't know, the weather kind of weird today. I mean, for the last couple of days. Maybe it's not summer yet, so officially summer yet. Anyway, how you guys doing? How you're trading today? How you're trading today, you guys? Yeah, pretty tight, you guys. I'm not going to take the trade, that for sure, because when I get in 6 accounts at the same time, and Okay, testing at 710. 709, 710. Yep, just do some kind of update right now. Let me see. If you just got here, I made one trade about 10 minutes ago. That is the status of my 6 accounts. Same one from yesterday. Anyway, up here we're looking at what, 510? I mean 710. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pretty tight, you guys. Very, very tight. $7.08. Let me look at the 5 minutes and see how it's going. This is the 5 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty tight. And so we are in the price range of what, 710, and 90. We're looking at only 20 points. Only 20 points. See if we break that 709, 710, push it to the 20. Yeah, this is the 5 minutes price range. $7.10. Yeah, I got a feeling she might want to push it to the high of the date again. 760 again, maybe. We'll see. Good watch. 700. Mm-hmm. 710. 710, 700. Right now we're in the 10 points price range. 710, 700. Anyway. Yep, I'm trading 6 accounts at the same time. And my hard stop from 10 to 15 points, no more than that. And my take profit usually about 10 points, but I usually want to squeeze as much as I can. But not 100% 10, 15 points. Sometimes if I get out with 5, 6 points, I get out to protect the profit. But usually I go 1-to-1. 10 points or 15. Sometimes I catch 30 points. But this is the one that I thought I got it, like 20 points or something like that, but nope. She has to come back and take me out with only 6 points. But that's fine. 6 points is 6 points. No problem. Very tight price range right now. 710, 700. Only 10 points. Yep, like I said, she might want to push, but I don't know if I want to chase it, to be honest. Wow, that's 60 points, man. 60 points from the high of the day. See what 700 hold or not. Like I said, I'm watching for 700 to hold. If not, I might take a short again, but I don't know. We'll have to wait. But yeah, I'm watching for 700. Right now, we could, in this price range, 700, 710. So if we break that 700, maybe a short opportunity to catch maybe 5-10 points. But again, it's very hard to tell right now. I was rushing it. I was rushing it. Yeah, that's for sure. Tough, man. She had to break that 700 to go lower. But yeah, I was rushing it for sure. Don't rush. Do not rush the trade. Do not rush the trade. I might get out break even. That's fine. I can live with that. Yeah. I have to trail the thing. I'm not sure about this trade, but give it to me, baby. Got it. That's $170 trade. That 8 points. Yeah. You guys see what I'm saying? Look at it. I wasn't sure. Remember I said that? I wasn't sure. But that's the name of the game, you guys. I mean, $100 here, $200 there, they all add up. Look at that. Push all the way back up again. So in this market, you cannot be greedy. So just lock in profit. Squeeze as much as you can, not no doubt, But yeah, you have got to take profit. It was 8 points. 2 winning trades so far. So far, so good. I'm happy. Wow. $275, 6 account. Like I said, I'm trading 6 account at the same time. So anyway, how's it going? Hey, LC. How's it going? Welcome. Welcome. Like I said, remember I told you guys up front that I was watching 700? And to be honest, man, I was rushing it. That no doubt. I was rushing it. That I mean, even the trade play out the way I intended, but it wasn't a good trade to me. Honestly, it wasn't a good trade. I was rushing it. I should have waited a little bit longer, to take the trade. But yeah, it wasn't A plus setup. It's just a trade. It's just not a good trade. It wasn't a good trade. But I got it, 8 points. Yeah, like I said, it's very, very tough to yeah, but to squeeze as much profits as I could with that trade. Wow, I got out at 62, went down to 60, push a 90, 92, and then 90. Like I said, we are in that price range, 90, 700, 90, and 710. So we're looking at what, 10 point above the 700 and 10 point below the 700. So we're in that kind of price range right now. 90 and 710, 20 points. Like I said, I'm watching for that 700. Very, very tight. Be patient. Very, very patient. Two trades so far for the last 30 minutes. Two trade, 15 minutes per trade. Took 2 trades in the last 30 minutes. Not too bad. Wow. 700. Look at this candle, you guys. Look at this candle right here. Went all the way to 708. Let's step in and push it back down again to 700. We're looking at only 8 points. Yeah, it's not tradable. Not for sure, you guys. Not tradable. $710. 709, 710. Yeah, not tradable. I don't see anything. Wow, look at now she pushing. Okay, so the million dollar question is that should I trade chase? No, nope, I'm not going to chase. But I think other than that, if I don't have to take any more trades, then be it. But I do not want to chase, that's for sure. $7.10. Look at the 5 minutes. See how it looks. Let me check how it looks with the 5 minutes. Very, very strong. Yeah, watch for that 710 though. Up here I'm watching for. Up here is 715, 718, 718. This is the 5 minutes. Very strong candles here. Look like 710 so might push it through. Look like 710 so now. We are in a different price range now. We'll see if 710 so or not. So we'll see. Yeah, 710. Look like we are holding at 710. Wow. $7.20. Yeah, look like it, huh? Yeah, look like go through that, huh? Go through the 720. Then we should higher. But to be honest with you guys, I don't know, man. It's just hard for me to chase it right now. I don't know. Hard for me to chase it. You can see that my hard stuff like 10-15 points. I do not want to risk more than that, and it's just very tough to chase it right now. Especially the volume kind of tiny. It's not. Yeah. Look at the volume down there. Very, very tiny. Yeah, I don't want to chase it, my friend. Nothing down there. Don't chase. Yeah. I know. It's tough to chase it. Watch for 710 now. Watch for that 710 to break. New candle. Here we go. Tough, man. Dun, 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 dun. Short at 720. You know what? To be honest with you, I would rather be a little bit late in terms of going short. You know, to give me some kind of confirmation. I do not want to short at that 20 because this can push from the 20 for another 20 points before she go back. You know, but so I would rather wait for it to break 710 hard so I can go in and short at 710, but not necessarily 720. Give me some kind of confirmation, you know, saying okay, this is it. But I wouldn't short at 720. But and again, that's me. You know, I would rather be a little bit late. You know, like 10, 20 points late is fine, but not up there. The 710. I'm watching for 710 to break really hard. You know, with a lot of convictions or something like that. But yeah, I'm watching for 720 as well. So. $30 seconds for that candle to close. 25 seconds. I do want her to go back and retest in the 710 again with the new candle, but not push it down like that. I want to wait. This is the reason I'm so cautious, because my first 2 trade was awesome. I don't have to take any more trade if I don't have to. So I'm a little bit more cautious. If not, if it wasn't for this 2 trade, I already took that trade already. A little bit more aggressive. But I'm ahead of the game right now, so I'm just trying to be more cautious. Okay, here we go. Retesting that 710. See what 710's hold, or push through. If I push through the 710, then no go. Let's see, it's tough. Don't have to take trade if I don't see it. Don't have to. Yeah, we don't have to be the first guy, right, to go in and short or long. Just trying to be patient, and we'll go from there. But okay, here we go. DC came back and retesting that 710, pushes to 714. Now I know that 710 is our resistance level, right? Or not, we'll see. $7.09, $710. Okay, you see that a couple times now? Went to 710, push it back down again. I was rushing it. I might manually to take me out. I was rushing it, you guys. I'm out. $20. Yeah, I was rushing it. I was lucky that I got out. $20. Not too bad. $2.90 on each of my 6 accounts. Yeah, right now it's just kind of in this price range, 700, 710, 715. It's just kind of, yeah. That's fine. I'm glad that I got out. Not for sure. You guys see what I'm saying? It just kind of, it could go all the way down to retesting that 90 again, but it might go to 90 again. But you know what? To be honest with you, I'm happy that I got out. Again, this trade wasn't a good setup at all. Wasn't a good setup. I was rushing it. Sometimes you should sit here and you stare at the chart and the candles and that. You took trade for no reason. This is it. This was that. You know, I sit here and watching the candle and just click on it for no reason. And then, yeah, there are reasons, but it's kind of emotions. Wasn't called for. So I wasn't supposed to take that trade, but I did, and I got out with a $20 profit. So I'm happy with that. But I wasn't supposed to take that trade, that for sure. It wasn't a good setup at all. But I'm glad that I got out. So wait, it wasn't a good setup. So wait for a good A++ setup. I'm ahead of the game, that's for sure. I mean, 1, 2, 3 winning trade, right? 1, 2, 3. So yeah, like I said, my stop loss super tight, 10-15 points. So I have to take A++ setup. Yeah, very tight right now, you guys. 700, 710. This is very tight. Should not take any trade. Yes, I am. Pretty big. You know, see, that's why I cannot place a bracket order. You know, I have to manually go back in to place my take profit and stop loss. When you do trade copiers and that, when you do a copy more than 2 accounts, you have to manually go in and take your stop loss and take profit. But you must have a very good risk management, because it might immediately go against you. So you have to get out at the price point that you intended to get out before you got into that trade. Manually take you out, but other than that, you have to take your stop loss right away. What happened? In regards to the poll, I put my first thought on the screen. I go through a lot of screen. What is that? I don't know, man. Something wrong with YouTube? I don't know. How's it going, Mavic? How you trading today, my friend? Wow, now she goes. Here we go. It broke the 700 hard. See if this candle closed in 2 seconds below that 700. Sometimes, man, not good. Yeah, that's fine. Don't trade anymore, Mavic. Yeah, stop trading. Just kick back, my friend. Yeah, lock yourself out, Mavic. I mean, you can come back tomorrow, right? Yeah, just lock yourself out. Yeah, remember I was $150 in the red yesterday, but I came back strong right now. So yeah, take it easy, my friend. Protect your account, my friend. It's hard, you know. Sometimes as a trader, you know, it's hard to walk away when you with losing trade and that, like revenge trading and all that kick in. It's very tough, you guys. Very tough to walk away. But we have got to walk away to be successful. That's for sure, man. Yeah. I'm working on that too. I'm not perfect, but we have got to walk away if we lose a couple trades, you know, in the row straight. I have to walk away. I have to learn how to walk away. No, it's pretty tight, you guys. Came down and hit that 90 exactly and push it back up again. Not tradable. Not for sure. Yeah, you guys. We have got to be successful, man. We have got to be successful in this business, man. But in order to do that, we must have a plan in place and our discipline in place, and know when to walk away. Saying that today's not my day. I have to walk away and come back tomorrow stronger. So that's exactly I'm working on every day. You know, it's hard, man. It's easy to say, oh yeah, I can walk away. You know, it's very, very easy to say that, but it's tough, man. We all human, man. But when we master that, I think we'll be very, very successful. Yeah. Of course, we all know how to trade. I mean, we all know how to trade. Know when, you know, break out and break down and all that, but must have our stop loss in place, risk management, and all that. But we have to master that to be successful. Yeah, I'm working on it every day, you guys. Working on it every day. But we'll be okay. We'll be okay, you guys. We'll be okay. We'll be okay for sure. Yeah, exactly, Mavic. Exactly, man. If we can't manage risk, then no way that we can be successful. That's for sure, man. Risk management. But yeah, other than that, if you guys just got here, I'm doing okay. So far, so good. For an hour and 15 minutes. No, an hour? No, less than an hour. 45 minutes. For the last 45 minutes, I took 3 trades and making about $300 on each of my 6 accounts. You just got here. Just wanted to update you guys on that. Took 3 trades so far today. 45 minutes, the last 45 minutes. Risk management, you guys, risk management. Size it down, size it down. Watch for that 700. Look like we stuck at 700 now. Yeah, look like that. Watch for 700 to hold. Our resistance level now 700. But yeah, Mavic, hang in there, my friend. Hang in there. We'll be okay. It's very tight. I would just push through 700. See, 700 right now, 704, 705. So we're looking at what, 5-10 points, man. Price range, man. How can we do any kind of trading? It's very, very tight. Yep, watch for 700. $705. Tough, man. Sometimes good idea to sit on your hands. Sit on my hands. Like I said, we'll watch for that 90. If it breaks that 90, then we can go all the way down to the VWAP. Until then, nothing going on. Not for sure. Until then, That's right. Until then, well, $7.10. Boring. Yeah, I'm watching for that 720 again. Watch for that 720 again. Look like she's going to go to 720. Man, very tempting to go long, but no. Right now she's playing games on that. It's very tempting, you know. Look at that candle. I really like that green candle right there before this candle. 34 seconds before this candle closed, but that green candle looked very nice. But deception. Let me go with 5 minutes. Look at the 5 minutes. Very tight. This is the 5 minutes candles here. 5 minutes watch. Very tight. Nothing going on, you guys. Nothing going on. $7.10. Up and down. $7.10. Back to 1 minute again. Watching for that 700. I'm back. 8 seconds. I want this candle to close below that 700 so I can take a short. Still above that 700. Yeah. It pays to wait. Yep, it pays to wait. No doubt. No, don't do that. Don't do that, man. Come on. Believe it or not, one time, right? One time I have one of the funded account, right? I only have what, $400 left or $350 left to play around with. But I go, nope. I'm not going to do that, and I trade small, and I brought that account back to 2,000 again. One of my funded account with APAC. So don't give up on your $300 or $400 left account. Just be patient. Trade the way you expect, the way you normally trade. Don't give up on it. You know, like I don't know, for some reason I go, no, I have to save this account, trade the way I'm supposed to trade. I brought it back. You know, I brought it back from $350 or almost $400 back to $2,000 again. So don't give up on one of your account. If I read your message correctly, sometimes, man, forgive me, I scan through your message and just read half of the sentence or something like that, and come out say something perhaps it's not what you are asking or what you meant to say, and thing like that. Yeah, but don't give up on any of your account. Anyway, yeah, but it's kind of tough, you guys. It's kind of tough to trade when you know, trying to read your messages and all that. Like I said, I'm reading half of your sentence and assuming that I understood what you're trying to say and trying to respond to you guys. At the same time, I'm watching the chart, so forgive me. But yeah, believe it or not, man, I really thank you so much, you guys. I mean, I have 890 subscribers, you know? I mean, that's crazy. Never thought that I can accomplish that much. I mean, you guys subscribe to my channel, man. 890 people subscribe to my channel. Is that crazy? Super crazy. But I appreciate you guys. So to be honest, man, I appreciate. But I'm looking for 1,000 though. If you guys can help me share the video or something. Hey man, this guy not too bad. Yeah, you share the video or something. Man, I'm looking for 1,000 subscribers, man. It's almost 900 now. So I hope that I get there. Yeah, take easy, Mavic. Take easy, man. Yeah, sometimes, man, if you're down, losses, just stop, because what are we doing? Hit the 700, push it back up again. It's only 5 points, so it's no big deal. No big deal. Hit the 700, push it back up to perhaps 710. Very, very tight. Yeah, but I thank you so much, you guys. 890 of you subscribes to my channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. I'm looking for 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, super tight, super tight. Not doing anything. Not doing anything. $710. Touched that 710 and came back down again. Yeah, if you just got here, let me update my account again. I took the total of how many trade? One trade, $110 in profit. My second trade, $170 in profit. My third trade is $20 in profit. Took the total of 3 trades so far today. 3 trades. Yep. Here we go, 720. We still in that kind of price range. Still 710, so right now we at 714 and half. Still 710, so. You'll be okay, my friend. You come back tomorrow stronger. No worries. I want you to win too, man. I want you to win too. I want all of you to win. I want all of you to win. How's it going, man? How's it going? Haven't seen you for a while. How are you? Very tight, you guys. Very tight, man. No, it's hard right now. It's, I wouldn't say it's hard, but I would say it's very challenging to trade. It broke at 710. Wow. Look at that red candle. Wow. Yeah, it looked pretty easy, but it's tough, man, to catch that candle, man. Wow. That is 10 points. 10 points. Got it. That's the name of the game. We have to show up, keep showing up, and keep fighting. That for sure. Again, we all learn from that, man. We learn from our loser, man. We learn from that. I learned from that for sure. See, I learned from every trade, mistake that I made, thing like that. We have got to show up and keep fighting. Keep showing up and keep fighting, man. I know, so don't trade. Don't take any trade, man. Like I said, man, it's tough, man. Look at, I mean, you can see the 10, 15 point up and down like that. You thought that maybe it's easy. A lot of people are just watching this and said, oh yeah, it's so easy, man. I would have caught that 8 point, would caught that 10 points. You take the trade. You know exactly what I'm saying. You take the trade. So it's hard. I want to eliminate that hard out of my vocabulary, man. Very challenge to trade right now. Yep. But I'm watching though. This is like, it's very tight. 10, 12 points up and down. $7.10, 5 seconds for that candle to close. below the 710. Three seconds for this candle to close. Yeah. I was going to take that trade. I was going to, but still tight though. Very, very tight though. If I went in and short it at 709, I would have caught like 3 or 4 points. And it's not worth it to put myself through that. So, if you know what I mean, I just kind of waste of my mental capital. You know, put myself through that kind of. See, if I short at 708 or 709, I have got to get out at 712, risking 4 or 5 points. But in terms of mental capital, I don't know. Yeah, don't want to put myself through that to take that trade. That's what the reason why I wasn't. You see what I'm saying? It's good to come back and then, yeah, like I said, in this game, man, mental capital is kind of worth a lot more than money, worth a lot more than our accounts. So, yeah, you guys see what I'm saying? I mean, it's only 2-3 points. This is not worth it. So that was the reason why I did not take that trade. Now she come back and retest that 710 again. We'll see. Yeah, mental capital is everything. Everything. What time is it? 12:36. 36. Come on. Ah. And she has to go now. Come on. Has to break that. She has to go now. Now. Has to go now, man. Has to break that 703. Come on. Has to break the 703. Go. Now. Now. We go. Go. Now. Now. I'm out. I'm out. Too slow. $50. I took a $50 hit. 2 points. 2.5 points. Sometimes, man. I wasn't patient enough. But it is what it is, man. Sometimes my decisions go. Our decisions go so quick. Would have caught a lot of points, but I wasn't patient enough. It is what it is. I would have. But again, I can go back and talk the other way around too. I wasn't patient. Look out, 2.5 points. That's fine. Yep. Still in the green though. Still in a good green though, so it's not too bad. It is what it is, no doubt. Patient. I got my risk in place, risk management in place. I risk in what? I was risking 8.8 times 2. I was risking $180 with that trade. So sometimes, but again, we don't know that, right? We don't know that. It's just I thought I made the best decisions by got out with only 2.5 points loss, but. Man, now it looks that she's going to break that 90. I'm learning every day, you guys. Learning every day. Learn to be a little bit more patient in terms of get out of a trade or get in a trade. So learning every day. Just keep learning. Never stop learning. That for sure. Yeah, I was 2 seconds. I was 2 seconds too early with that. But you know how it is. If from my experience, if she's trying to push a few times, and if it's not, she didn't want to break that 703 few times, 1, 2, 3, about 4 times, didn't want to do that, then a lot of times she will push another 10-15 points higher. I thought of that. That's why I got out of that trade, but they decided to drop, go down there and retesting that 690. I was 1 second, but yeah, from my experience, if she tried to break that 703 four times and didn't look like it's one to break, so that's the reason why I got out with a 2.5 point loss on that. Yep. Anyway, that's fine. Keep learning and learning. Never stop learning. Yeah, look like we breaking that 90. The bottom line is, am I, brave enough to short at 90? If I short at 90, I have to get out at 95, risking 5 points. Yeah, look like we break that 90. Anyway, and then down here we're looking at 55, 60. Let me look at the 5 minutes and see. Yeah, we broke that 90. We broke that 90. The thing is, if we're gonna retest it at 90. Yeah, we broke that 90. And 90. Yeah, I would not go long if it break that 90 and go through the 90 and then hold at 90, but I wouldn't go long. This candle has to close above the 90 and see what the next candle, but I wouldn't go long. I wouldn't chase it. I mean, right now, because it just broke that 90. There's no reason to go long unless it closes candle above that 90 and some buy could come in. See if 90 hold. Yep. See what I'm saying? Who in the right mind doing it, buying, go long at 90? I don't know. I don't feel like taking any more trade for some reason.
Great Hanuman strength of wind. Can we chant to you?
Go all in? Okay, go all in. Yeah, broke that 90.
Yes, we call your name. We come with chants in our hearts. Echoing
Wow, time fly, you guys. Time fly when we have fun. Time fly. Take a trade, be a man. You're trading. You take a trade. Don't rush me, man. You take a trade. Don't worry about me. You trade. You take a trade. What do you mean? Be a man. I am a man, but I don't want to lose money. Be a man. You're funny, man. You take a trade.
Heroes rise,
Wow.
the morning star. In each note, the truths that scar. Mantras come a timeless
That's
sound,
okay.
where his presence is profound. The heart unfolds, the soul
Okay,
adheres.
no.
Chant,
No.
grace appears.
You take a trade.
Verse after verse, his name revered. Bhakti, pure devotion, sincere. Whispers to the cosmos soar.
At 5 points, huh?
As Hanuman brings strength to the fore.
Wow.
In his love, fears disappear. Chanting on, the path is clear. The dawn breaks through the morning's hue. To Hanuman, we sing anew.
Yeah. Broke that
His
90.
courage flows
Broke 90. She doesn't want to look
every
back.
line.
She did not want to look
In
back.
every heart, his virtues shine. Ancient words, they rise and fall. In every moment, to him we call. Almighty One, with mace in hand, bringer of strength.
1249 and half.
Tales of
1249 and
valor,
half.
whispered breeze through the leaves of the sacred trees. In his presence, spirits soar. Every chant, it opens door.
Wow. So, remember we was talking about watching that 90? Sometimes, man, just take it seriously and
Temples, sacred
stick with the
hearts,
plan. Just short at 90.
incense drifts
And then
devotion
stop
comes.
at 95, risking
Time
5 points.
resonate with a golden
So.
hue. Hanuman's grace in view.
Wow.
Footsteps echo a prayerful stance, lifting souls into a divine trance.
Well, we hold at 65. It's too far from 90. 10 points from 90. I don't want to take the trade. Too far. We got 9 more minutes to go. 9 more minutes to go. So right now we're looking at the price range from 690 and 770. 20 points. 25 points. Come on. Got it. $125 with that trade. Not too bad. Went long, went short. Let me take a stop out everything. $125 with that trade. That was the 7 points. 6.5 points. 7 points. Oh my wow. See, even push more. That's fine. I'm not chasing it. Not for sure. I really like that candle. And then I went long at 90 and a quarter, knowing that I have to get out at 82. So I'm risking like 3 points or something like that. Risking very, very little. Wow. Yep, I'm done, you guys. I'm done. Not for sure. I am done. Good day. Yep, 4 more minutes to go. Wow, still pushing her. 700. Wow, another 10 points. Yeah, she went and touched that 90 again and pushed it back up. So, yeah, 90's hold. Up here we're watching what, 720? See if 720 hold or not. 720 was our resistance level for the last how long? So, we might Three and a half minutes to go. Wow, go through that 720 as well. Yeah, I don't know why I did not, whatever. Yeah, I went long, but I got out too early. Took profit too early. Again, you never know. We don't know that, right? I mean, if we knew, we have... yeah, look at that. Oh, man, go through. But again, right now, it's like very hard to tell. You can go either way. And I don't want to chase it, that for sure, man. No chasing, man. But yeah. Yeah, good day, you guys. I mean, pretty good day. Good day, man. Yeah. Always tomorrow. We can come back tomorrow, you guys. Minute and a half to go. I'm done. I'm done, you guys. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and hang out. I hope we had fun. I hope we had fun. Yeah. Yep, I didn't have to go. Yeah, to go short, huh? Go short my stop at 25. Risking what, 6 points? Short! Go short! Go short. My stop at 25. Don't do that. Don't do that. Right now, kind of risky. 40 seconds to go. Yeah, honestly, thank you so much, you guys. 3 more days to lose. 3 more days to lose. No, don't lose money, man. What time you guys start trading anyway? You guys start trading at the open? You know what? I think I'm going to do trading at the open and that for like an hour and a half. Hang out with you guys. I don't know if the demand is there that I can. Wow, look at that. Did I say that we could go ahead and go short and risk in 7-10 points, something like that? What the? What I say? What the? What did I say? Sometimes, man. Yep. Okie dokie. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you. Hey, man. Thank you so much, man. Mavic. Take easy, my friend. Protect your account, man. Risk management. That's okay, man. If we miss out on a trade, that's fine. At the end of the day, man, we'll be okay. Okie dokie. Wow, look at that, you guys. Is it today's Friday yet? Once again, thank you so much, you guys. Muchas gracias. See you tomorrow. Wow. 40 points. Would have caught that 40 points. Anyhow. I know, huh? Yeah. I'm looking to that. And I hope you guys can come by and we hang out. Have fun. I know. Okay, thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.